Welcome back to another episode of Vanuatu. Today I'm gonna take you to Tanna Island. From Melbourne, I've taken a flight to Port Vila, which is the main airport of the Vanuatu. From Port Vila, there was a 40 minutes to 1 hour flight to reach to this beautiful island. So if you are not in Australia or New Zealand, you are pretty much worlds apart from this place. An Oscar-nominated movie Tanna has been shot in Yakel village of this island, and today I am taking you right into their world. Get ready for the raw authenticity. In this video, I will also reveal the most mind-blowing experience I've ever had. It's a living, breathing beast, active volcano at Mount Yasur. So let's get ready for a wild ride through Vanuatu. Hi, good morning guys. It's day 3 in Vanuatu and thankfully it's a little sunny and I don't want to jinx it. आज हम जा रहे हैं कस्टम विलेज, तो हम जल्दी से ब्रेकफास्ट करेंगे एंड वी गोना लीव फॉर कस्टम विलेज. So our journey started. We are going to custom village and the road is very bumpy. Yeah, it reminds me of the villages back in India. I'm sure Aman feels the same, but I'm so excited. I was reading about this village and it is so nicely preserved, their customs and their culture. So let's go. Okay, this is really spooky. We are waiting for our guide. हमारा गाइड इस गांव का हेड था और राइट नाउ वी आर इन द मिडल ऑफ देयर विलेज. लुक एट दिस बैम्बूज हाउसेस. यहाँ पे अभी भी कोई टॉयलेट, इंटरनेट या इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं है. उन्होंने हमें ट्रेडिशनल तरीके से फायर जला के भी दिखाया. लुक एट दिस. दिस इज अमेजिंग.
Lua means fire.
अलुआ. लुआ. उसके बाद हम चले एक ट्री हाउस में, एक रियल टाइम ट्री हाउस. After having a fresh pineapples, we enjoyed this tribal music. तो अगर आप ताना में हैं और ये विलेज आपने मिस कर दिया तो आपने सब कुछ मिस कर दिया. दिस इज़ लाइक आप नेशनल ज्योग्राफिक के किसी एक चैनल को आप लाइव देख रहे हो. ब्यूटीफुल. एंड नाउ दे आर गोना परफॉर्म द लाइव डांस फॉर अस. After some time, we have also been invited to dance with them, and I am getting ready. It was splendid meeting such beautiful tribe. The way they live, the way they talk to you, just take your hearts away. So remember, whenever you are coming to Vanuatu, do not forget to visit this island and especially this village. Hey Yaman, what did you buy?
Water and the stuff for myself.
So we packed our lunch from outside because resort में it was pretty costly and the portion was very less. Plus, we are not getting enough varieties. So we had to take a stop and try the local food from here. And not to mention, I saved some money, plus the quantity was also good. So we have stopped at this cute, I think this is the only shop we have seen, the coffee shop. And we both like, yes, we want some coffee. But unfortunately, there was no electricity, so we couldn't get our coffee. Now we are heading to another village called Black Magic Village, and let's explore it. As we were entering to the village, they have created a very dramatic scene for us.
Male, but the female grows more bigger than the male one. And this is the female banyan tree. And every time it grows new shoots like this. And these new shoots, after couple of years, maybe 3 to 5 years, these young shoots can be big as this size and it's keep on growing on and on. You see some roots there? That's keep 450 years old. But it's still growing on and on.
Wow.
So let's get to the heart.
And these little kids just jumped out of nowhere and scared the shit out of me. One more time. Since this is a black magic village, we have to see a magic trick. Now you're seeing they are laying the leaves, and now they are going to lift a person on those leaves.
That is really interesting.
Special custom
This
leaf
village
used
also
on the
has
building.
those magic leaves
And
that can help you heal the wounds.
then we squish it this way. We put this one to stop the bleeding.
So it's a tradition in Black Magic Village that whenever two people get married, they blow these leaves with some magic and try to stick those leaves together. So if the leaf sticks together, the
And
couple will never
separate,
ever
never divorce
separate.
for the rest of your life.
So they insisted to do this ritual on me and Aman. So we are just standing right there and looking at the leaves, whether they will stick or not.
300 couples, Aman and Tipti. So let's see. Wow, congratulations to you. You are the 300 couples, you will never divorce. So mark this one.
Congratulations.
Mark this one. Congratulations to you. You will never, never divorce.
So one of the girl with us, they want a volunteer, so we let her be the volunteer of that one. Or she's just talking to them, and there's something happening. Let's wait. So this is the end of our day 3. Beautiful memories I'm taking. I'm just gonna go back and just take rest. Finally, we are going to the volcano. Can you see the sunrise there? It's so pretty. Can you guys see that smoke? It's coming from the volcano. Damn, it looks so scary. तो ये है वॉल्केनो की जगह और माय गॉड इट्स ऑल स्मोकी एट माय बैक So we couldn't see the volcano as we expected, but we somehow saw some smoke, but we couldn't figure out from where it is coming. It was too smoky because of the rain. I think we chose the wrong season, and my mood was so spoiled that I couldn't make any video. I just go back into the car and we drove back to our hotel because the way from where we went to the volcano was, my god, it was thrilling, it was adventurous, it was completely off-road. It was night time and it was misty, there was zero visibility, but when we were coming back I actually saw where we were driving at that time of our, my god.
They will let us know if the road is safe to go again.
So we decided to try our luck once again. The morning tour was not successful. We were not able to see any eruptions because of all the smoke. So we are going to see the volcano once again. So if you want to get the best view of the volcano, reach at the volcano at 2 times, either at 3 a.m. tour or at 7 p.m. tour. These 2 tours provide you the best view time. So this is gonna be my second attempt for the volcano. Let's see हम यहाँ फिर से पहुँचेंगे और हम actually में lava explosion देख पाएंगे कि नहीं, but it's beautiful. So before going to the volcano, it is important for you to go to this base station, sign up, and provide a disclaimer that in case anything happens to you, it's all on you. Once you sign, a guide will take you to this beautiful place. This time we were accompanied by so many other tourists. Look at the crowd. So, as we were climbing up, the air gets smoky and we were feeling like a mysterious movie. Last time it was all foggy and rainy, so we couldn't see a thing, but this time I was ready with my camera. We were standing on the slopes of Mount Yasur. Our eyes were wide open as the crater yawns before us. The smell of sulfur and the otherworldly secrets are just in front of us. Do you see that wisp of smoke? Nature cannot be rushed, so be patient, my friends. Oh boy, we forgot the scarves to cover our nose and mouth because the smoke can be really poisonous. And we also forgot to bring jacket and it was freezing cold on top of the mountain. This is so amazing. Finally, the mountain was waking up. You look up, and there it is, a giant hole in the ground. It's like the Earth's belly button, but instead of lint, it's filled with lava. You see the fireworks? Not the colorful ones, but the volcanic lightning. It's like the mountain is having a light show just for us. We were taking pictures, even though my camera lens is just a bit dusty. A fountain of lava shoots up. It's like the mountain is saying, "Hey, look at me." We both were scared and amazed. It's like watching a giant fire hose spraying hot stuff into the sky. We were standing there feeling small, but also like an adventurer. The rain tries to put out the lava, but it's no match. You are in the middle of a volcano party, and you are the guest of honor. The patience was rewarded, the mountain bows, but it's time to head back. It's already 8 p.m. and we have to go back. Until next time, dear volcano. And here ends our day 4. I will meet you guys in my next video. Till then, keep traveling. Ta-da!